And you can see the tree, the only tree we have left of it. There's Kitty.
We don't have power.
Yeah, we have no power.
There has been damage to
We have no
terminals,
power.
so if there's anybody who is planning on doing any kind of travel in the next few days, definitely once all this is cleared, if your carriers.
There's a few trees left over here, but most of them are fallen or broken in half.
Hello, Maya.
There has been at least one fatality. A gentleman up in Coral Springs who went outside to assess the damage and a tree fell on him. So I figured we could press enough to stay inside. And I know you and I both were thinking, okay, if you were going to find
Our bathroom is slowly filling with water from this window. This is the second towel that's been completely soaked, and I can feel water dripping on me. And the toilet's making really scary noises. But we still have water, but very little water pressure. We're running out of towels, but you can kind of smell seawater here too, which is really weird. Since we're so like 20 some miles away from the ocean. The stuff's falling down on our patio.
Got a door blown off. And a big ass pile of trees.
Ours.
Okay, I have no fucking clue what these people are doing. But the hurricane passed. Now we've got tropical force wind, tropical storm winds. But they were boating. There was a lot of yelling earlier too. Maybe somebody lost their dog and they got it out of the canal. That would be okay. Then they wouldn't just be idiots. No idea. Duck! Why are these people walking around?